Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the scene. Make sure wind is under 10 mph and remove gear from the canopy. Then, unlock clips and pins on all 4 legs. Do this deliberately so nothing snaps. You and a partner should stand at opposite corners. Once ready, pull the roof fabric toward the center, folding it inward. This reduces tension on the frame. Make sure the fabric stays centered so the frame slides inward smoothly, preventing catches that can bend tubing. Now compress the frame slowly. You work evenly, don't shove one side all at once. Alternate short squeezes on opposite corners while guiding the fabric so it doesn't get pinched. Once the canopy halves meet, collapse center hubs last so joints align without stress. Lower the telescoping legs stepwise to the first notch, then to the second when frame height allows. Keep at least one hand on the fabric edge to control folding. This avoids sudden snaps and keeps the tent compact for bagging. Finish by folding the canopy fabric along the peak and rolling it toward one side so it lies flat. You then slide the collapsed frame into its carry bag, placing loose parts like pins and stakes into internal pockets to avoid loss. Make sure straps are fastened and zippers closed. Once packed, inspect all joints and fabric for dents or tears. Mark any damage. Store the bag in a dry, elevated spot to prevent mildew. This extends the life of your canopy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.